Saad Ismail. I'm in second year Texila University, finishing up dissections for second semester. It has truly been an honorable and privileged opportunity to work in a dissection lab. We are the only university that has one available. It has really been a gift to work in groups where we all have individual experiences to dissect, chances to dissect, to really get a feel of what medicine is really about. Really get a different type of knowledge that can't be provided from a textbook or from a video. And luckily we have kind lecturers who spend time with each of us and each of our groups, really testing us and pushing us to the limits to really get a touch and feel of what exactly we're learning, not just going through it and getting an estimate, but really understanding each nerve, each blood vessel and everything in a way that other universities don't provide. And luckily we've gone through, now we're in our second semester, second break. We've completed our upper limb, our lower limb, finishing up, and that really has been a wonderful experience, really getting into it and feeling it. And thankfully, this experience that not many people get to have. Most people only find real bodies, people, once they start working in clinicals. Luckily here we've already dissected, we're already learning different diseases. Each body is different, so we get different perspectives from different circumstances that normally you don't get. So thankfully, we really have a good opportunity here to make the most of. Thank you.